Welcome to the Northern Territory and welcome to home for the next month-ish. So I am here because I'm going to be working on this boat as a diver collecting sea cucumbers or sea slugs, and I'm so excited for it. I get to dive in the Northern Territory, which I've never done before and probably wouldn't do if it wasn't for this job. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna give you a tour of the boat very soon, and when everyone's here I'll introduce you to all the crew as well. Alright, let's go! So I'm yet to learn all the like boat lingo, but this is the front deck, I guess you would call it. In this little hidey hole is my room, so let's go down. So this is my little room. This is my bed, got my own little cupboard, and then there's another couple beds on this side, and best part, air conditioning. Oh yeah. Alright, go back up, we'll go around the sides. So engine room, captain's quarters, which I'm not going to open yet because they're still sleeping. Bathroom, so we've got our shower. There is going to be a toilet and a sink in here too. That's just over there. This is, I guess, the back deck, where we'll be processing all the slugs. So I am yet to learn all the processing of the slugs, but we have like this. I'm not even going to try and explain it. I honestly don't know yet. But this is where the magic happens, I guess. We're also going to have two like dinghies that will tow behind the big boat, which we'll use for the slug expeditions, I guess. Alright, let's go around this way. Under here. So in here we have the wheelhouse and the galley. So we have our food stores, and the fridge, stove, and oven microwavey thingy, and all of the shit, and a coffee machine, which is great because I'm such a coffee snob. And I have a wheelhouse without the wheel, and all of the important things. Oh, look at the papa! So cute. So all the food stores for 3 weeks at sea. Loaded from the boat ramp. And we're off! And there's a big old storm coming. Let's see. Are you excited now that we're up? Are you excited?
Yes.
Seems it. Yes, you look so excited.
I didn't want you to watch me drink beer.
That's how you show you're excited.
Yay!
Relaxing photos. Wave! Say hi there.
Are you gonna wave? You gonna wave? No. hear me with the wind and the engine going, but it's our second day of steaming out to where we need to be at a speedy 5 knots. And over there, if you can see land, that's the Tiwi Islands and Melville Islands, and then back that way is Canberra. So we're heading out that way somewhere. Oh.
Yeah.
Kisses. So it's almost 9:30 at night and we've just arrived at the place that we're going to do our first dive tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. And the viz is actually surprisingly good, so you can actually see the bottom of the booms, so that's probably like 2 meters viz, which I'm very glad about for my first time doing this. Ooh, fishes. They're little mini long-toms.
We started pulling ourselves up,
But yeah, super excited. So I suppose I better introduce everyone. So we have Tommy, who is the other diver. We have Monty, who's going to help process all the slugs. We have Mem, who's our cook. Little baby Isla, hello. And Captain Corey, who's big boss man. So the boat that they're on right now, that's the one we're taking out to actually go diving. So we'll have the hookahs with the regs like trailing at the back, and we just sort of like swim along with it and pick up all the slugs that we can and put them in little nets and collect it all.
Bombs away!